So I got to admit, this car's a giver. Amount of rust. Yeah, so just going to get this off. I've done one of these ever before. So just I know they got a couple of pins here and there. Hold it in place. I don't want to break this one, because I know that it will be a pain to get them, especially a straight one. Ooh, that's good. Wow. That's rough. Oh, that's going to be fun, isn't it? Come on, eh? Yep. Well, just a pry bar and something flat. I'll get it off and then just slowly pop them out, because I think the rust is actually damaging. So I'd prefer to get it off, store it, and then fix this up. So I'll just do a little bit at a time. Just be gentle, careful. If you've never done this before, just take your time. I've had in the VY, I've just picked the stones out, you know. So picking the stones out is different from removing it completely. I'm going to do the back door. Really nice and tight here. Easy, pop it out. I've been doing this right. Whoop, yep. A little different. Yep. So there's just one left. Try not to bend it. Just here. There we go. Right. That. Oh yeah. Oh. Straight as. Look at that. Hey. Straight. A lot of rust. You can see it. I'll bring it into the light. Bring it into the light. Well, that should be salvageable, hopefully. I really don't want to buy a new one, if I can even get one. I'll clean the rust out and see how we go. Should be good. Just like I said, just trying not to bend anything at the moment, due to the fact that it's so hard to get these things new, and when you get them new, if you can, they are ridiculous prices. But I'm going to set this light up. It's a bit dark, so there's a lot of rust here. I'm not in the game of patching up with metal bulb and whatever. I I like to cut and weld it. But what do you do if, you know, it looks worse than it is, but I bet if I ground it down, it would be holes like this. Anyway, it's going all the way along. Obviously, it's been, since it was sitting for so long, the rust just took hold. So, passenger side, it's just got that so far. Actually, I think it was caught in the nick of time. So, but bar that part there, which is not too nice. I just have to start welding it when I get a chance. Which I thought someone tried to weld it just here, but that's just yeah, it's really bad there. But could probably just cut this section out here, or here up to here. So from here to here, some of the door rubbers are pretty good, but yeah, such a shame. The passenger side's nothing. I can't see anything yet, but I am going to take this rubber off, and look, I guess if you look at it, rest bears will come to the rescue. But if they can't, you just gotta not have it. 3D printing can only print so much. That's the first part of the rust inspection. Like this window, really don't know what to do with this window. I'm thinking I might buy a VR, because VPs are hard enough to get unless I want rusty gold prices. Get a VR. I seen one for $800, just whatever. And I was going to cut that up because they're very similar in shape. VR, VS, whatever. I'll have to check it out. Cheers.